Today we will be going through a few new updates on ways to request a quote for your products with CD Soft. You can request a quote by going into the item itself and clicking Add to Quote. A pop-up will appear showing the product and quantity you've selected. Once you're happy with your choices, click Next Step to fill in your contact details. After that, you'll be taken to a review page where you can double-check everything before submitting. If all the details look good, simply click Submit Quote, and our team will be in touch shortly to finalize your request. You can also view your quote anytime by clicking the small quote icon next to the shopping bag. Check your selected items, and when you're happy, follow the same steps to complete your request. You can also add your items to the shopping cart. When viewing your cart, simply now choose Request a Quote or Check Out. If you already know what you're after, click Request a Quote at the top of the page. From there, you can enter your details, list the products you need and click Submit, and our team will be in touch soon.